Cilia Flores de Maduro, born the 15th of October 1956, is a Venezuelan lawyer and politician who served as the First Lady of Venezuela from 2013 to 2026. She is married to Nicolás Maduro, who served as the President of Venezuela from 2013 until the couple were captured by the United States in 2026. In 2015, she became a deputy in the National Assembly of Venezuela, of which she was president from 2006 to 2011 for her home state of Cogés. In 2017, the Constituent National Assembly was founded, in which she was a member of the Presidential Commission. On the 3rd of January 2026, during the United States strikes in Venezuela, Flores and Maduro were captured by the United States. The couple made their initial court appearance in a Manhattan federal court on the 5th of January 2026, with each pleading not guilty to numerous drug trafficking charges. The couple was previously indicted by the United States District Court for the Southern District of New York on various drug charges in 2021, for which their extradition was sought. Early life: Flores was born in Tinoch on the 15th of October 1956 and raised in Caracas. She is the daughter of Cilia Flores, who died in March 2016, and Julio Sayas. Flores is from a lower middle-class background. She graduated with a law degree from the Universidad Santa Maria in Caracas, specializing in criminal and labor law. First Lady. Upon Maduro's victory in the 2013 presidential election over Enrique Capriles, Cilia Flores became Venezuela's First Lady, a position that had been vacant since 2003. As First Lady, Flores ran for a seat in the National Assembly in Venezuela's 2015 parliamentary elections as a candidate for the Great Patriotic Poll. 14, she said she would use her seat to defend the social rights of citizens and the achievements of the Bolivarian Revolution. In 2017, Flores was elected into the Constituent Assembly of Venezuela. Flores reportedly placed relatives and loyalists in key positions within the state's legal system, ensuring that major decisions were rooted through her office. Critics note that under her influence, the judiciary became politicized and did not issue a ruling against the state for over 2 decades. Zaire Mundere, a former senior prosecutor, stated that Flores is a fundamental figure in the nation's power structure and corruption. According to a statement issued by Donald Trump, Flores was captured by the U.S. military alongside Maduro during the 2026 United States strikes in Venezuela. In January 2021, a federal indictment was unsealed charging Flores, Maduro, and their son with collaborating with drug traffickers. Flores and Maduro were captured and brought to the U.S. to face these charges in January 2026. capture and legal proceedings. Both Nicolás Maduro and Cilia Flores were captured by the United States on the 3rd of January 2026. The couple were taken to New York to face trial. During the hearing, U.S. District Judge Alvin Hellerstein ordered Maduro to remain held until at least the 17th of March hearing. On the 5th of January 2026, Flores and her husband would both be arraigned, with each entering not guilty pleas to numerous drug trafficking charges. According to her lawyer, Mark Donnelly, she suffered significant injuries during her abduction, including a fracture and heavy rib bruising. Flores wore a bandage on her forehead during the hearing. Personal life, Flores' first marriage was to Walter Ramon Gavidia, with whom she has 3 children. She then married President Nicolás Maduro, whom she replaced as president of the National Assembly in August 2006 when he resigned to become Minister of Foreign Affairs. The two had been in a romantic relationship since the 1990s when Flores was Hugo Chávez's lawyer following the 1992 Venezuelan coup d'etat attempts, and were married on the 15th of July 2013, months after Maduro became president. Her husband, Maduro, has 1 son, Nicolás Maduro Guerra, whom he appointed to senior government posts: chief of the presidency's special inspector's body, head of the National Film School, and a seat in the 2017 Constituent National Assembly, while Flores has an adopted son, Efrain Antonio Campo Flores, who is her nephew from her deceased sister's son. Investigative reports have linked the Flores family to vast, unexplained wealth, including the effective acquisition of an entire street of luxury homes in Caracas. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.